Let's see how to wrap text around the table in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's go ahead and add our table. Head on over to the Insert tab, click on Table, and right here, let's add our table. And now that we have that right there, let's say that we want to make sure that our text remains wrapped around our table when we move it downwards. And when you click on this icon right here, that would allow you to select the table. And from there, click on Table Layout. Now, from here, you can click on Table Properties and select Around for the text wrapping. And that will automatically make sure that your text remains wrapped around your table. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.